Here we are at Contra Costa Power Sports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2017 KTM 450 SXF. This open class motocrosser just arrived with only 90 hours on the hour meter. Upgraded 707 suspension, FMF pipe, brand new tires. Price to sell at just $64.99. Come by, make your KTM dreams come true. This is awesome 450 SXF, liquid cooled, fuel injected, electric start. Price to sell just $64.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Power Sports.